ancestral wisdom who safeguard and pass on our indigenous knowledge and traditions. This afternoon, we recognize Mr. 𝗔ih𝗱𝘆 Chuc, a proud Maya Masewal of San Pablo Village. He is committed to preserving Yucatec Maya language, art, and spirituality. His research, performances, and advocacy ensure that Maya heritage continues to thrive for future generations to come.
Culture is who we are and what we do in our daily basis, and culture normally starts at home. So my journey started with my parents. They were the ones that taught me oral stories of the Maya guardian spirits, about medicinal plants. But my cultural awakening started maybe in my early 20s. I felt that urge, that necessity to preserve who we are. So everything that we do is culture. From the food that we eat, we don't only eat food, but we eat the essence of a culture. All those oral traditions, those rituals, those superstitions are part of who we are. So all that actually inspired me, motivated me. And when I started to know more, I felt more happy with myself. And I felt appreciate myself more, appreciate my community, and appreciate Belize. Because that's when you realize that Belize is very rich in culture. And Elijio Panti, for me, is an inspiration. Elijio Panti chose a path of being who he is, practicing his spirituality, not worrying of what other people have to say. And he did it in his best way possible and left a legacy for a future generation, including myself, to look at him and say, you know, that's what we want to be in the future, not like him, but following his footsteps in preserving the Mayan knowledge and traditions. I have to say that I feel surprised, I feel happy, and it feels good when people appreciate what you have been doing. And many times, sometimes we do it behind the scenes, not every time we are in front. And what I've been doing all this time has been with my heart. I cannot find words to express it, but I have to say thank you for the recognition. It really makes me happy as a Belizean and as a Maya.